Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the homepage of the Theatre app. The Theatre app is a mobile application that allows practitioners to use the app from anywhere with a stable internet connection. You have the capability to plan, manage and schedule theatre lists and operations seamlessly through the user-friendly home screen of the Theatre app. The Theatre app gives you full access to your theatre lists without having to log into the GoodX web app. In this video, you may start on the homepage of your preferred internet browser. For this example, we will be using Google Chrome. Navigate to the GoodX Theatre app website by typing the /app/GoodX Theatre at the end of the GoodX web app URL and press the Enter key on your keyboard. The GoodX Theatre screen will open. We will now take a look at the various buttons within the home screen. Depending on the device you are utilizing, you will either tap or click on the screen to perform actions. For the purposes of this video, we will be using the tap action. The current date will automatically display, however, you can tap on a Today button to open the calendar where you can pick the date you would like to navigate to. Tap on the burger menu on the top right corner to reveal more options. Tap on the Add New Theatre List button to create a new theatre list. The Add a Theatre List screen will open, allowing you to input the necessary details for creating the theatre list and reserving your theatre time on the diary. For more information regarding the theatre list, please refer to the Theatre app Add Theatre List user manual linked in this video's description. Tap on a Create Task button to create a new task regarding the theatre list. The Create Task screen will open, where you are able to complete the fields with the relevant information and assign to the applicable party. For more information regarding creating a task, please refer to the Theatre app How to Create a Task from the home screen user manual linked in this video's description. Tap on a Change Entity button, which will expand the drop-down menu to change to a different entity. Click on a Log Out button to exit the Theatre app.